Hey folks, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to finish your project. And right now I'm working on a swatch that's in the garter stitch where I've been knitting every row. And to finish this project, I'm going to be teaching you how to bind off the stitches. And since we've been working in the garter stitch, when you bind off in the pattern that you are currently working on. So let me show you how to bind off. So to cast off the stitches, I'm going to be casting off in the knit stitch like I just explained, because this swatch is done all in knit. And to do this, you're just going to be knitting like you normally would. You knit the first 2 stitches that are on your needle, place them on your right needle, and then you're going to take your left needle and insert it into the first knit stitch on your right needle and slip that over your second stitch while holding the yarn on your right needle, so you have 1 stitch. To bind off, you always have to be working with 2 stitches, so I need to knit another stitch. And then I take the left needle and insert it into the first knit stitch on the right needle, the bottom stitch, and then slip that over the second stitch on your right needle. And there's your second bind off or cast off. Knit, bind off, knit, bind off. And you just continue to do this until you get to the last stitch. Okay, I have 1 more stitch on my left needle. I knit that. I bind off the first stitch on the right needle over the second stitch. And now I have this 1 stitch remaining. So before I do anything else, I'm going to cut the yarn. Then I'm going to take the needle and loosen the stitch so the loop is larger. And then I'm going to feed the yarn through the loop. And voila! You have bound off your stitches to finish your project. Okay, so we have finished binding off knitwise. This is what it looks like on this side of the fabric. And then this is what it looks like on the other side of the fabric. And that's what it looks like on the top. So if this video has helped you, please be sure to like it. And leave a comment below if there's something else you'd like to learn. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips in knitting. And thanks!